Hey, I'm Jamie from Bud Gaming, and today I'm going to show you how to add textures to our items. Oh, actually, before that, another thing that I forgot to do last episode was add in this thing called the language registry.addName. Now, what that does is that names the item in game. So now it makes it a lot more reliable. Before it may not work sometimes, but we're just lucky and it did. So if you add in that one, it'll make it more reliable, and it's good practice for the future. Another thing up here, to add in the textures, you have to change your mod ID to all lowercase. And so yeah, that's all the changes in the base mod class. Now if we go into our Ice and Ruby class, I've added in this new function beneath Set Creative tab. Now what it is func_111206_D. Now it may seem like a load of gibberish to you, but what that does is that sets the location for the texture. So now the game knows it's inside the Bud mod folder inside assets. So yeah, that's it. Then to add in the texture, what you want to do is you want to go to your location. Go to your location and then create a new folder called Res. Now this will only work because we're in Eclipse, because it's how Eclipse reads things. So if you create a new folder called Res if you're using Eclipse, if you're not, I'll explain later. Then you create a new folder called Assets, new folder Bud Mod, Textures, Items, and then you put your texture in there. But make sure your texture is the same name here, and the same name here, but don't put PNG in either of the ones in the code, because then it will break. So yeah, you just want rubyingot.png inside the res folder under many subfolders. Okay, but that is not the end. What you want to do is you want to right click on Minecraft up here, press new, folder, then you want to press advanced, link to alternate folder, link to alternate location, and you want to select your res folder. Press open, it'll come up here, and you'll press finish, and then you get the res folder down here. Still not the end though. You want to control click, well you want to right click on it, and then go to build path, use as source folder. Press that, and now you're all set up, and the textures will work. So if we just run this, okay, let's go to our world. Well, hey, we now have our texture. It is just a Ruby like that, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for this episode. I'll see you next time, when we will be doing blocks. Okay.